Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to set up Windows XP on Windows 7. By that I mean we will be installing Windows XP in a virtual environment, and for that we will be using a software for virtualization that is called VMware Player. So first of all, refer to the link which is mentioned in the description of this video. Go to the download page for VMware Player from there and click on download latest version. Download it. Once you download it, you will have to install it. Once you do, it will be available in the programs in the start menu. You just have to click on it. It will take a while to open up. So click on create a new virtual machine. We can proceed with the virtual machine installation from CD drive. Also we can do that from the ISO file. We will choose the ISO method. So in this one we will have to give it an ISO file so that it may create a virtual operating system with it. So we are providing it an ISO file for Windows XP CD. Click on next. So now you'll have to enter the product key for Windows XP. Click on next. Choose the location where you want the Windows XP virtual machine to be residing. Next, choose the maximum disk quota for the virtual disk, the virtual environment which will be created. Let us create 10 GB for it. Prefer to choose split virtual disk into multiple files because you may want to evacuate the system in case of shifting or emergency. Click on next. Finish. Now that we have created a virtual machine for Windows XP, it will start up the installer for Windows XP, like as in the procedure when we do use the Windows XP CD to install the Windows XP on our system. Now this is asking us to install VMware tools for Windows XP, so just prefer to choose it, download and install. VMware is something really great that will automatically detect the devices and drives and stuff like that to be connected to your virtual machine as well. So click on OK. So now our installer is going on and we will proceed with the Windows XP installation as in proceeding with the normal CD setup. Finalizing installation now. We are nearly through with the installation. The virtual machine has been restarted now, and the Windows XP Professional would be started. Congratulations, you have just now set up a virtual Windows XP on your Windows 7 system. So first of all, let us select our display resolution. So there is an important thing to do here, that is you will have to set up a shared folder so that you may be able to share files with the virtual environment and your host computer. So for that you'll have to shut down your virtual machine, make it a normal shutdown so that you do not lose any data or your system does not get corrupted. Turn the machine off. Now simply go back to the VMware Player again. Choose the virtual machine which we created. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. From here you can choose to vary the RAM or the system memory allocated for your virtual machine. Just move the slider and that would be it. For our virtual machine we have selected 512 MB exclusively allotted for it. So just go to options, click on shared folders, click on always enabled, and then click on add. Next, choose the folder which we want to share. This is about the host machine, not the virtual one. So just create a folder which will be used to be shared. Now provide it a name too. Click on next. You can prefer to keep it read only or read write both. Click on finished, and this is done. Now you can click OK. Let us run our virtual machine again. Click on the virtual machine name and click on play virtual machine. From here you can switch if you want any particular hardware to be connected to your host machine or to your virtual machine. You can switch from here. Just double click on the title pane to go to full screen mode. The Windows is started. Now to enable the actual file sharing with the virtual machine, you will need to have your VMware tools installed. So to install VMware tools, if you have not issued a command to download and install the VMware tools, just go to virtual machine, click on install VMware tools, click on download and install, and it will start downloading. Once the VMware tools are installed, your shared folder will be shared with the virtual machine and the host. Hope you liked the tutorial. Please do like and subscribe. Also do comment if you have any doubts or queries. Thank you for watching.